Hello everyone. Well, today we are going to learn about the provider registration. Well, you might have seen on my YouTube channel, I do have a playlist which says new features or updated features, something like that. So we all know Azure or any other cloud provider keep on changing on or updating. This one right here keep on changing and updating the things. So does the provider either got updated or new one is introduced, and then that feature comes into the preview, private preview, then public preview. Then once everything is fine, it may go up to the months, and then it will come to the GA that is generally available. So to utilize the preview feature, to work on the preview feature, to do the lab on the preview feature, you need to register the relevant provider. Okay, the Microsoft Azure provider is used to interact with many resources supported by Azure through the ARM API. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to register that provider in our subscription so that we can utilize that feature which is in preview right now. Okay, so this is my blog that we did on the storage failover that was in preview. So here are the commandlets. You can find it here. I'll share the link. Uh, let me open this, and this is something I was checking for. I'll tell you later. For example, let's talk about, let me comment that out and copy this command from here and check this storage provider, whether this one is registered or not. Okay. See, you can see when I wrote this blog, I did register this provider and it says registered. And today I was going through one of the another preview feature of Azure Backup, that is cross region restore, and I was not able to perform the lab because the provider was not registered. So I thought, let's create a video how to register a provider and it will help us. All right, so let's try to check get AZ provider feature name for Azure Backup Restore cross region is different. So I'll write cross region restore. Okay, and for this feature, what is the provider space? That would also be different. Microsoft, it would not be storage but the recovery services. Why the recovery services? Because backup is a part of Microsoft recovery services. Okay, and you usually get the feature name and all from the Azure updates. So let's try to run it, and it says not registered. So in order to register this provider, we only need to do, instead of get, let's write register. Now this will submit the request to the Microsoft, like I'm the one, I want to use this feature, I want to do the lab, I will submit my feedback if needed. If I want to, it's not necessary, then I'll submit this request and they will review it and enable it within 48 hours. Sometimes it take more, but they say 48 hours. Now you can see it is registering right now. So that's how you can figure out whether this provider is registered. And if there is a new feature, of course it will not be, and you need to register it, and then you gotta wait. Once this feature is registered, then we can perform the lab for CRR, that is cross region restore, which is in preview from the recovery services. All right, thank you for watching. You have a good day. Bye bye.